evening. Welcome to Town Radio. News read by Vaiga. News headline. Praveshanotsavam was celebrated at GMLP School, Pandikad. World Environment Day was celebrated with various programs at GMLP School, Pandikad. Street celebration at GMLP School was a colorful program. The Praveshanotsavam of the academic year 2025-26 was celebrated with extensive programs at GMLP School, Pandikad. The PTA committee members and teachers welcomed the newcomers wearing colorful shawls and letter caps. Bulbul cadets took the children to the selfie corner. The children were led to the classroom with the celebration of the plastic doll. Cheer girls dance was fantastic. HM Ali Sir, PTA President Sri Danesh, BRC trainer Shemi Master are wished the children and Shaina teacher thanked them. The program concluded with the distribution of payasam and lunch. June 5th, World Environment Day, celebrated with various programs at GMLP School, Pandikad. A speech competition and poster making competition were organized at class level. HM Ali Sir led a tree plantation in the school compound and shared the message of Environment Day. Shaina teacher, Sabra teacher and Rima teacher were present at the event. We conducted our Bakrid celebration with colorful programs. Mehndi Fest, greeting card making, special food are the highlights of the event. Children are very happy and enjoy together. It's the end of the news. Thank